Here is something every tech professional should think about. Today, companies are not just asking, can you write code? They're asking, can you ship it faster, deploy it safely, automate the process, monitor it properly, and keep the system running without downtime? Now that's exactly where DevOps comes in. DevOps is no longer just a technical skill. It is becoming a major career advantage. As companies move towards cloud platform, microservices, automation, security-first delivery, and AI-powered operations, DevOps professionals are becoming more important than ever. In fact, DevOps is expected to grow strongly in the coming years, and the demand for DevSecOps is also rising as companies are focusing more on secure software delivery. Now, just think about it. Every app you use today, whether it is banking, shopping, food delivery, streaming, healthcare, or education, that needs faster updates, smooth performance, secure system, and reliable cloud infrastructure. And behind all of that, there is DevOps. Companies are using DevOps to reduce manual deployment work, improve software release speed, automate testing, manage cloud infrastructure, monitor applications in real time, improve security, and recover faster when something goes wrong. So whether you are a developer, system administrator, cloud engineer, tester, IT professional, or someone planning to move into cloud and infrastructure roles, learning DevOps can help you stay relevant and open doors to better career opportunities. And that is why learning DevOps today is just not about learning tools like Git, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, or Ansible. It's about learning how modern software is built, deployed, secured, monitored, and scaled in real companies. So if you're serious about building a career in DevOps, then watch this video till the end. So guys, today I'm going to tell you about some of the few professional DevOps certification programs by Simplilearn in collaboration with Microsoft, IBM, and IITs. DevOps program from Simplilearn can help you move from basic concepts to hands-on, job-ready skills. Now, let us discuss about the certification programs. First, there is a certification program in cloud computing and DevOps offered in collaboration with IIT Bangalore. This program is useful for learners who want to build a strong foundation in cloud platforms, DevOps tools, AI-powered cloud applications. You will learn about AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraforms, Jenkins, and many more other important concepts also. Apart from that, you're going to get 20 plus cloud services and 200 plus practical exercises. You will work on projects like microservice containerization using AWS Code Pipeline and ECS. Also, automated Azure web app deployment with containers, multi-cloud deployment for web applications, Jenkins backup, and restore on AWS S3. And also, CI/CD pipeline implementation on AWS EC2. After that, you are also going to explore about Kubernetes dashboard deployment, Docker Swarm deployment, and Terraform-based infrastructure provision. Now, let's talk about the next certification program, that is AI-enabled DevOps Engineers Master Program. This program is in collaboration with IBM and Microsoft. And this program is ideal for learners who want to become job-ready and DevOps, DevSecOps, cloud automation, and AI-enabled operations. It covers DevOps fundamentals, version control, CI/CD with Jenkins, GitHub, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Terraform, Grafana, logging and monitoring, DevSecOps, AWS Cloud Security, and Azure AI services. What makes this program interesting is that it does not stop at traditional DevOps. It also focuses on how AI is becoming part of modern DevOps workflows, helping teams improve automation, monitoring, security, and operational efficiency. Learners also work on capstone projects like building a DevOps pipeline for insurance microservice application, deploying a banking application on a Kubernetes cluster, and automating infrastructure using Terraform, EKS, EC2, and Jenkins. Next up, we have the AI-powered cloud computing and DevOps certification program offered in partnership with IIT Madras. This program is designed for learners who want to connect cloud computing, DevOps, and AI-driven automation. It focuses on AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and DevOps on cloud, containerization, orchestration, infrastructure as a code, monitoring, cloud migration, DevSecOps, platform engineering, and FinOps. And also you're going to learn about AIOps, which is very much important in the modern era of artificial intelligence. The program also includes 30 plus hands-on projects, 200 plus hours of live learning, 100 plus hours of self-paced learning, and exposure to real-world cloud and DevOps scenarios. You will work on projects like microservice deployment with AWS Code Pipeline and ECS, then Azure Web App deployment with containers, multi-cloud deployment, WordPress setup on AWS, and real-time data management. Also, you're going to learn about Jenkins backup on AWS S3, Ansible-based application deployment, Terraform and Ansible automation. Also, you're going to explore about Azure load balancing, Kubernetes deployment, and Spring Boot deployment on AWS ECS. After that, there is one more important certification, that is Microsoft Azure DevOps Solutions Expert Program, powered by Microsoft. So guys, this program is especially useful for learners who want to build a career around Azure DevOps. This program is aligned with AZ900, AZ204 and AZ400 certification, and it helps learners understand Azure fundamentals, Azure development, Azure pipelines, repositories, application deployment, security, cost management, monitoring, and DevOps practices on Microsoft Azure. This program is actually a good fit for learners who want to work with Azure-focused roles and understand how Microsoft cloud services are used in real DevOps environments. So guys, you'll also get hands-on exposure on Azure boards, Azure functions, Azure repos, Azure pipelines, Azure artifacts, application insights, GitHub secrets, SonarQube, Dependabot, Dynatrace, and other Azure DevOps tools. And finally guys, there is Microsoft Azure DevOps Engineer Expert AZ400 certification. This program is more focused and advanced. It is useful for learners who already understand Azure and want to specialize in designing and implementing DevOps solutions. You will learn how to work with source control, GitHub strategies, build and release pipelines, package management, dependency management, security and compliance, secret handling, logging, telemetry, monitoring, failure prediction, health checks, deployment planning, and Azure pipelines. This certification is useful for professionals who want to validate their Azure DevOps skills and move toward roles like Azure DevOps Engineer, Site Reliability Engineer, Cloud Engineer, or DevOps Consultant. Each of these programs is designed for different learning goals. Some programs completely focus on cloud and DevOps foundation. Some focus on AI-enabled DevOps and DevSecOps. And some certification programs also go deeper into multi-cloud, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. And some are specifically designed for Azure DevOps and Microsoft certification paths. These programs are useful for learners who want structured training, live online classes, hands-on labs, real-world projects, mentorship, cloud practice, industry-recognized certificates, and career support. So instead of only watching random DevOps tutorials, you can pick up a structured program that matches your career path, your current skill level, and kind of DevOps role you want to grow into. Because in the coming years, the real advantage will not belong to people who only know what DevOps is. It will belong to the people who know how to build pipelines, how to automate infrastructure, secure deployments, manage cloud systems, monitor applications, and deliver reliable software at scale. So guys, let us know in the comment section below which certification are you going to pursue as a DevOps engineer. Follow Simplilearn for more tech insights.